सेशन के बाद?
ठीक है।
अरे यार
5 1 2 3 4 5. Hello everyone, welcome back to the 24/7. So as most of you must have seen by now, looking at the thumbnail, that our complete team is here to discuss many important things regarding the batches, regarding what are the different examinations in the banking sector, how we are here to help you, how you can join the classes, batches and everything. But before that, let us know who are there in this session and quickly share the link of this session wherever possible and do hit the like button also. So my name is Gaurav Singh Bhadoria and I am taking reasoning classes, and over to you, Rohit sir.
Okay, myself is Rohit. So basically I do take classes for current affairs and general awareness and financial awareness over here. So guys, basically there is no scientific research over here that many of the banking classes are running on in the country or on the YTs as well. Okay, but the essentiality element of this session is that we are going to give all the classes in English medium, because many of the institutions do not provide the classes in English medium. So that's why these entire sessions of ours are going to get conducted in entire English sessions. Okay, so there will be no Hindi conversation over here, no Hindi content will be provided, entire content will be provided in English itself. So that is the main motto behind us, to come in front of you and to tell you that okay, so that is the main motto behind us, to come in front of you. Okay, so do share the link guys, do share the link, and many more things are going to come over here, like which of the banks you can give, okay, what are the qualifications, what are the qualifications, okay, required to apply for the banking exams, okay, what are our YT schedule, that is very much important. These are the free sessions we are going to provide you on the YouTube, that is at the 24/7 English medium channel. You can subscribe that channel over there. Okay, so basically I will introduce to the English mentor as well as quantitative aptitude mentor. Here I have Amrit Kaur ma'am with me. Yeah ma'am, take. Okay, sorry, I said she's Kaur, so she is a bit hurt now.
Hello everyone, so this is your English mentor Amrit Kaur, and whatever the questions you have in your mind, like ma'am, we want to study in English, so we want sessions specifically in English only. So students, those who are really looking forward for the upcoming examinations, they really have a genuine question, why not English in English? Because there is no translation if you talk about the subject English in Hindi when we go to the examination hall and take the mocks or take the exams. Even in the mocks there is no Hindi translation for this subject English. So please make sure whenever you study English, and it's my personal suggestion to all of you students, as your guide, as your mentor, that when you're studying English, there is some way or the other you try to grab what you see. So your visual impact really matters a lot, what you're actually learning. So please learn those words, write those words, visualize those words in English only. Why Hindi, dude? Why Hindi? Please tell me. There is no use of studying and memorizing all those vocabulary words, all your reading comprehensions, all your anything and everything. Let's just, for an example, for an instance, we talk about clause tests, fillers, some vocabulary. Your sure shot 15 marks are destined to be, here. 5 marks for clause tests, 5 for fillers, 5 for your antonyms, synonyms. Then why Hindi? If the words are not clear, the picture is not clear, the meanings are not clear, how will you actually figure out the meanings there? So for your ease, I generally take regular sessions on from Monday to Saturday at Ada 24/7 English medium channel for the Hindu editorial. And when I say editorial, it's a wider concept, it's a broader concept. Not only just your reading, your vocabulary, your understanding of the sentences, your sentence formation, your grammatical errors, and so much more is actually happening live in that session. So I would rather suggest you something to kindly just see the session. If in case you have not seen, the playlist is out. And of course, have a look onto our YouTube channel also. Before we show our YouTube channel to you, I would rather suggest you that please understand few tips from our maths mentor also, who will be guiding you well enough for the quantitative aptitude. Yeah, please.
Yes, so guys, very good afternoon to all of you. first I would like to say, guys, if you want to prepare for any kind of banking exam, right, in English medium only, then we are running the classes at Adda 24/7 English medium. So you can see all the guidance and all the classes on you on Adda 24/7 English medium. So guys, when this session will be completed, first work will be you need to subscribe our channel and you can follow all the faculty members there. So when you will follow us, then you can see everything regarding how you need to prepare, what kind of things you need to do, what are type of the sensors, how you will start if you want to prepare for 2023 or 2022, whatever you want, everything you will get there. Okay, so I can see there are many candidates who is putting their comments in the comment box. So I hope this is the answer for all of them, right? This is the schedule. So definitely we will share what is the YouTube schedule. That means at what time we are running our classes. So you will able to understand from when and till when we need to join the class. Right now, you know, in quantitative aptitude, if we will talk about all the aspirants. So quantitative aptitude is really surprising in the examination, especially in banking examination. So everybody want to get concept clear, everybody want to study it hard, right? Everybody want to do the practice, but problem is this, so where we can learn, where we can practice. So if you want to get each and everything, right, so only one solution is here, that is Adda 24/7, right? Because Adda
English
24
medium. With that, it's very precisely we have to say that. Yes.
Yes. So Adda 24/7 English medium is providing each and everything, right, which is required for the preparation of any kind of banking examination. And that's why we are here to inform you. If you want to prepare, then you can join with us, right?
Yeah.
And channel name is, I hope now clear to everybody, because so many times we have pronounced that channel, right?
Yeah.
So guys, what will be the strategy? Strategy is very clear. Right, if you want to start the preparation, then first you need to think about the qualifications, what are the label of the examination, right, and how we can start the preparation. So there are many questions. So right, I think this is not the right time to discuss all those things in the detail, because right now we want to discuss how you can make your career in banking examination, what type of career in the banking examination, right? And what should be the qualification, what should be the age criteria, and like that all. Okay, but before that, we want to take something from Gaurav sir also. So Gaurav sir will share. He is a reasoning mentor, so he will share what things you need to do in reasoning. Okay, and after that we will start how you can make your career in the banking. So now over to Gaurav sir.
Right, sir. So let's open that note, sir. Sir, can you please help him a bit?
Yeah.
Shivam, sir, please help me.
DRDO. Why it is showing DRDO? Rajasthan? No, Rajasthan.
Note.
भारत भ्रमण हो रहा है. Okay.
Alright, so first of all, let's discuss what are the different topics and what is the different weightage of reasoning in all the examinations, banking. So related to prelims, so I will just write separately for prelims and mains. Talking of prelims, the most important topics are definitely the alphanumeric series and alphabet test. Second is blood relation, we are writing it in short. Third is silogs. Fourth is direction sense. Fifth is coding, decoding. And sixth is sitting arrangement and puzzles. We have inequalities. Right. So talking of prelims, 2 to 3 questions from each of the topic is expected. Just leaving this topic, sitting arrangement and puzzle. From here up to 15 to 20 questions definitely you can expect in your prelims. Now all these topics will be asked in your mains also, but the difference will be in the difficulty level, and these topics, blood relation, coding, decoding, these will be asked in coded form. Apart from that, talking of mains examination, some more topics are there which are specifically being asked in your mains examination. For example, machine input output, Then we have advanced coding decoding, that is letter, symbol, number coding decoding. Then we have data sufficiency. Then we have critical reasoning. Right? So still those who have not applied, maybe you have applied for the IBPS PO, so that is the latest exam that you will be having of IBPS PO. Then those who have applied for IBPS RRB, their mains examination is scheduled ahead. So related to that, we have certain courses also related to IBPS RRB mains, related to IBPS PO, that we will be discussing towards the end of this session. But before that, I can see still many have not liked this session. So do share and do like the session as well. So this was a complete overview of our reasoning syllabus covering both your pre and means. Now it's not like all the topics will be asked in all the shifts. Recently, on the basis of analysis of RRB examination, that is Regional Rural Bank examination, RRB Clerk and PO, there were many shifts in which there was not a single question asked from Silogs. In some shifts, there was not a single question from direction sense. So that thing is happening because exams are being conducted on multiple days in multiple shifts. But still, that does not mean that we can leave any of the topic, because you do not know which topic will come in your shift or which will not come. So we will focus, and whatever sessions we are taking on YouTube, whatever courses we have planned, we have given equal weightage to all the topics, so that we can get a overall preparation for upcoming examination, for all the upcoming examinations, right? So after reasoning, I'll just request Amrit ma'am to discuss the syllabus, the detailed syllabus and strategy for English. Yes, ma'am.
So now the question comes here is, what is the syllabus? So something which is really very important to really which matters to us is to understanding is a concept behind our syllabus, concept behind our pattern. So I personally feel that students are not really aware when we talk about the exam pattern or when we talk about the syllabus. So you should have the appropriate knowledge of two things, with what is, if we talk about the pattern and the syllabus. So when it comes to the pattern, I would rather say, while you're preparing for IBPS Clerk and PO, your focus should be and shall be on PO. Why I say that? Why PO? Because if you're preparing for a higher level, I am quite sure somewhere or the other you're planning to prepare yourself for all the lower level exams. Am I right in saying that, my team?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we talk about some higher level questions, all the higher level questions, higher level patterns, higher level papers, with your clerk, with your PO, this clerk part is actually clear by its own self only. Whenever you're solving a clause test, a filler, match the columns, some reading comprehension, I am somewhere or the other trying to figure out the syllabus. Please keep noting that part. Your clause test, fillers, match the columns, reading comprehension. If you talk about your sentence rearrangement, which is also called your para rearrangements. When we talk about your, what else have I missed out here? Okay, so some direct questions of antonyms and synonyms. So all these things. Now here it could be a phrasal replacement, it could be a direct filler, it could be a single filler, it could be a double filler. Again, there are categories, single, double. You even have multiple filler also depending on the mood of the examiner. Of course, we are not quite sure. No? Probably he could ask you some double, some single, and so on. Now apart from that, whenever we are going through all this, on a broader concept, when we figure 5 marks from here, see, 5 from your clause test, 5 from filler, 5 from match the columns, probably 5 to 7 good marks from here, 5 from your sentence rearrangement, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So herein when we discuss good 6 means this is 35, but actually when we talk about clerk, it is 30. So I have taken 5 more only questions here, not less, telling you guys about what exactly the question will be. Now our motto, our agenda is to make you so much aware that you are good with the basics, and on the other hand you are good with the higher level questions also. So the basic should be clear. So basic and advanced. The strategy here would be taking you from this 0 to this hero level. This is our strategy. This is our roadmap for all of you. Clear? So next part here is when we discuss about the morning 8 a.m. session. It is, trust me guys, it is not just a session. When I talk to you guys about the Hindu, now when you say, ma'am, why reading? So the only answer, if you want to be a professional in reading is, in English is this reading only. I would only focus, I personally focus on reading. So reading here will make sure you are good at your vocabulary. Now skimming, something which to mark, what to leave, what to keep in mind, what to highlight. All these things are keeping you aware. Now skimming means elimination. You're reading again for your reading comprehensions. Your errors, which tells you about the grammar. So all of these things are actually important, and reading is root of English. I could have divided English into 3 parts saying vocabulary, grammar and reading. But no, very precisely saying reading is the only part of English when we talk about. Otherwise I could have said it is vocabulary, it is grammar and it is reading if we talk about English. No. I sum up all of them in just one word called reading. Now I think we have discussed much about the syllabus pattern. This was the syllabus wherein I divided the marks, and the pattern is also very clear. Then we discussed about this part. Now I think Shivam sir, you would like to come, or you sir? Okay, Shivam sir.
Hello students, so now you know what is the syllabus of reasoning. Now you know well what is the syllabus of English also. Guys, so if we will talk about all type of banking examination, so total subject is 4, actually not subject only. You have reasoning, you have quantitative aptitude, you have English and you have general awareness, right? So already we have discussed about the reasoning, already we have discussed about the English. So now remaining 2 points is quantitative aptitude and general awareness, right? So in this session first we will discuss about the quantitative aptitude. After that Rohesal will come and he will tell you how to deal with general awareness, right? And what are the things, what are the sessions, everything. So guys, if we will talk about the quantitative aptitude, so guys, the syllabus is very tiny. That means we have very tiny syllabus about the quantitative aptitude, right? So what you need to do, you did not need to complete so much topic in quantitative aptitude, right? We have a very few topics. Overall mathematics divided into mainly 3 parts. First one is speed mathematics, in which you have to work on a basic calculation, right? And for this you have to learn tables, squares, cubes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? So everybody knows how to multiply, how to did addition, how to do multiplication, how to do division, how to find out the square of a number, how to find out the cube of a number, similarly square root and cube root also. But guys, what we will do here, we will try to change the pattern on which we are doing now, but we will do everything on a different way. So main work is to change the calculation with pen to oral calculation. So this is the main motive of speed mathematics. And if you want to change your calculation speed, your accuracy, and you want to calculate orally, then you have to change yourself. Then you have to learn some calculation techniques. And when you will able to understand some calculation techniques on the behalf of that, you can make a command on speed mathematics, because in every banking examination, speed matters, right? And if your speed is good, then you can score well, okay? Similarly guys, second part is arithmetic. Second part is arithmetic, and arithmetic is basically related to your practical life, right? Whenever and wherever you are, arithmetic will be the part of your life, right? In this chapter we will learn percentage, profit and loss, time and work, time and distance. So whatever you are doing in your life, this part is related to your life. That's why you need to prepare arithmetic, because it will be used, you know, when you will get selected. Reasoning will not be used. It might be possible English language will be used, but there will be no use of the grammar and other things. Similarly, there will be no one who will ask who is the Prime Minister of India, who is the Prime Minister of South Korea, who is the President of South Korea. But in your practical life, always quantitative aptitude will be used, right? You need to use the calculation when you will operate with any banking operations, right? Similarly, when you will go outside the banking, so in your family, in your life, you need to use the arithmetic also. Third portion is DI. Guys, DI is why important. This is the part of statics, okay? This is the part of statics. So why DI is important? Because you know, when you will work in banking, so data will be represented in the form of graphs. And if you will not able to understand the graphs, then you cannot understand the feel of the banking, right? And what they want to show you, what type of inflation is increasing, stagflation is what type of, so you cannot understand if you don't know to read the graphs, right? That's why data interpretation is also important, and this is also the part of quantitative aptitude. So guys, we need to prepare these 3 sections, and for preparing these 3 sections, we have some important schedules also. When you will learn all the concept regarding this, then you know practice is also very important, because without practice we cannot do anything in quantitative aptitude, right? Practice is the main key, you know well. So for doing the practice, for learning the concept, we have some special sessions also. So guys, in 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. on a regular basis, we are doing the practice for the upcoming examination. Like as just next week, your clerical examination is scheduled. So we are practicing on the same way, on the same level, which will be the part of your IBPS clerk examination, right? At 6 p.m., I am running the session for your concept building, right? So if you want to build up your concept in any chapter, so guys, this session is running for concept building only. Right now, I am discussing on data interpretation. So if you want to make your data interpretation strong, then you can join this session. If you want to do the practice, then you can join this session. But this practice session is important when you will complete these topics. So if you want to complete the concept chapter wise, label wise, and concept wise, so guys, for this we have a paid classes also. So when you will come on our channel, which is Under 24/7 English Medium, then you will able to understand each and everything, how we can join the batch, how we can start the preparation concept wise, label wise, and type wise, how these sessions are going on. So I hope now you are able to understand what type of syllabus in quantitative aptitude, right? And this syllabus is same for any kind of banking examination, and the exams which will be based on banking exam pattern, right? So syllabus for everything will be same. Like as FCI, we will talk about the FCI. So FCI exam pattern is same to the banking pattern, right? So if you want to fill up the form of FCI, then you need to prepare for banking examination. If you want to fill up the form of any insurance company like as LIC, then pattern will be similar to the banking examination. So we are not talking about the only banking examination. If any pattern, if any exam is based on the pattern of the banking examination, so syllabus for everyone, every exam will be same. This is the main important thing regarding the banking examination. And syllabus is very small. You can say we have a very tiny syllabus for banking exam in quantitative aptitude, because there are very few chapters and very limited type of the question. But label is very good, so you need to do the practice of label. You need to do the practice of speed mathematics also, because without speed math you cannot crack any type of banking examination, right? So guys, this is the complete information regarding the quantitative aptitude. Now it's turn for GA. So I would like to call Rohit sir. He will tell you all the details regarding the general awareness. Till then, I can take one question. Sinchen is asking, sir, is there any Telegram channel? Yes, Sinchen, we have a Telegram channel named Under 24/7 English Medium, right? Chinna Durai is saying, sir, I am finished MSc, very nice, nutrition and dietetics. I am able to write banking exams. Yes. If you are a graduate candidate, then you can fill up. I will share that detail also. Rohit sir, can you provide me 5 minutes or more?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So I want to share the detail. Guys, if you want to fill up the form of any banking examination, okay, so there will be 2 categories in banking examination. first category is officer grade and second category is clerk grade, right? I am sharing all the detail, what type of examination in banking. So we have officer grade and we have clerk grade, right? In guys, in officer grade we have two type of examination. First one is specialist officer and second one is for probationary officer, that is known as PO. In clerk we have some examination which is known as like as assistant. In some there is known as clerk also. In some clerk will known as executive. In some clerk will known as associate. Okay. So we will talk about banking. So we have two types of the examination. First one officer, second one clerk, and these are the name of that particular examination, right? Guys, if we will talk about the organization which will take part in this examination. So first organization is IBPS. Actually, IBPS is the conducted body for all the banking examination. But when we will talk about especially for IBPS, so there will be 11 nationalized bank under this recruitment, right? Similarly, next recruitment will be from SBI. SBI conduct their examination. Okay. Next organization is RRB, that is known as a regional or rural banks, right? So we have a special examination of RRB also. Except this, we have a examination of LIC. We have a examination of NIACL. Okay. Guys, except this, we have a some regulatory body examination also, like as SEBI, NABARD, okay, and RBI also. You know, RBI is the regulating body of banking system. So any recruitment related to SEBI, related to NABARD, related to RBI will be the part of the banking system. So the paper related to this also will be based on the similar pattern of the banking examination. One more examination is which is FCI, right? This is also will be based on the banking examination pattern. So guys, these are the bodies which is taking part in to conduct the banking examination. And if we will talk about the qualification, so guys, qualification, you have to be graduate with any stream, right? If you are graduate with any stream, then you can fill up the form. Graduate with any stream. There is no boundary, okay? Except specialist officer examination. If we will talk about specialist officer, so special means special. For this you have to possess some special qualification. But if we will talk about the PO and clerk, so guys, for this you have to be graduate only with any stream. There is no barrier for stream, right? You have to be only simple graduate. Is it clear to everyone? Guys, if we will talk about SEBI and NABARD and RBI, so except these three organizations, there is no percentage criteria also. That means if you have passed with the 33%, then you can fill up the form. So there is no limitation. There is no limitation of there is no boundation of percentage, right? But remember, if you are going to appear in SEBI, NABARD and RBI, then in some examination we have the limitation of 60%, and some examination we have the limitation of 55%. Okay, that means we can say at least 60% marks you should possess in your graduation, then you can fill up the form for all the organization. Okay, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, NABARD is the regulating body of RRBs. Okay. So I hope now you are able to understand each and everything regarding the banking examination. If guys, we will talk about the age criteria also. Only one thing is remaining, which is age criteria. So for officer rank, your age should be 20 to 30. This is for officer grade, right? And if you want to fill up the form for clerk, then your age should be 18 to 28. Okay, and according to the age relaxation, that means according to the category you can avail the age relaxation too. So guys, now we have shared all the information regarding the quantitative aptitude also and regarding the banking exams too. Now it's time to call Rohit sir. Now over to Rohit sir. Rohit sir, please share all the detail regarding the general awareness, how candidate can prepare and what should do in general awareness.
Okay, thank you, Shivam sir. So, hello guys, how are you? I guess everyone's preparation is going well. So, if you want to ask any of the questions with respect to general awareness, yes, you can shoot your questions over here, okay, or any other questions. Telegram link will be given below, okay, so don't worry about that. Adda 24/7 English Medium's Telegram link will be given in the description box over here, so you don't worry about that, you can get that from there itself, okay. You will get the PDF, quiz, everything. We ensure that everything is spoon fed, okay. You don't have to struggle for any other notes or any other mentor or any other session. This session which you are going to watch over the YTs as well as the PDFs which we are providing you, they are holistic, so you don't need to worry about other magazines or other books or other things, okay. So just try to remember, okay, just try to remember that you there is a dialogue. Have you saw the movie Chandni Chowk to China? There is a movie Chandni Chowk to China. Actually, in that movie, I love one dialogue which is very much important, and I will like to share with you. The person who is training Akshay Kumar. Yes. I will come that to you. Okay. Okay. There is one. Just listen properly. There is a one saying in that movie. That the enemy is not afraid of the 10 moves which you have practiced one. He is afraid of that one move you have practiced 10 times. Similarly, with respect to current affairs, similarly with respect to financial awareness, similarly with respect to general awareness, similarly respect to whatever exam you are preparing for. Okay, it might be your college, it might be your competitive, okay, it might be your schooling. There I will say here one thing: read one book 10 times rather than reading 10 books one time. Okay, that is the point over here. Okay, you should always read one book. At least I recommend my students that they should read the book 5 times. Okay, when you talk about current affairs, there are basically in banking more of the questions do arrive from static part. Okay, and you have to link the current affairs with financial awareness over here. So this is one important point. If you want to study current affairs with respect to economics or financial awareness, first of all you need to clear your basic concept of financial awareness so that you can connect that with the current affairs over here. Okay, now many of the students might be preparing for different exam, like if we are in Tamil channel, right ma'am? Yeah. So you might be giving exams with respect to Tamil state services. Guys, raise your hand those who are giving Tamil state services exam. Yes guys. Many of the students might be giving Tamil state services exam or Tamil PSI like police sub inspector kind of exam, group B, group C, Tamil cadre, okay, Tamil state exam. Many of the people might be giving. Now when I talk about current affairs or when I talk about financial awareness is nothing but the different name for economics. Okay, but we majorly focus on macroeconomics over here. Okay, we majorly focus on macroeconomics. If you have heard in your preparations what you are doing right now with respect to your state services, so that is the exact syllabus. Whatever you are reading in Indian economy, many of you might be knowing Ramesh Singh, Sriram IAS notes, Vivek Singh's notes, Sanjeev Verma's notes. Okay, Falana Ramkana notes, means many notes are available in the market with respect to Indian economy. What is Indian economy? That is itself renamed as financial awareness over here. Okay, so you don't have to put extra efforts while reading financial awareness because you are continuously preparing. But yes, what you have to read, that is very much important, because the way you are preparing for your state services, the same approach cannot be followed over here. So that is different. The approach must be changed. To set that approach, we are here. Okay, to set that approach, and if you are a serious aspirant that you want to get a white collar job in tertiary sector, okay, this is the most relaxed job, guys. Banking sector is the most relaxed job I can see. Okay. For example, I will tell you, in my previous days, I went to one of the bank. Okay, I will not tell you the bank. I went to one of the bank to fill the challan. Okay, that time there was no UPI payment, or it was, I am talking about 2014-15. Okay, around 7 to 8 years ago. okay, before the pandemic. So that time the digital mode was not in a boom that how much it is today now. Okay, so challan was there. Okay, so when I went at the 10 a.m. in the bank, okay, there is a system that you have to punch the card. You have to punch the card and they will give you the coupon over there. Okay, so I saw that I was the first person, and along with me only one person was there, that is security guard over here. Okay, so I just punched my card over there, punched my coupon, the number was 25. See how lazy they are, that no one is in the bank, and even though I got my 25th number, okay, then I saw that the security guard was punching himself so that the people, the cashier, the clerk, the PO and everyone will be settled idle for that time. This is the height of, we can say, what you can say, highest caliber of work. So if you are good at this, then the banking sector is for you guys. Yes, thank you very much. So basically coming over here, so financial awareness, I can say it is similar to your Indian economics which you are preparing today. Okay, for current affairs guys, you can join us at 7 a.m. Okay, daily current affairs session is there. Okay, PDF is also provided in the group. Okay, PDF is also provided in the group. So you can join the current affairs sessions, okay, for this. And again I am coming at 12. With the burning issue, whichever it is in news, or else I come with the financial awareness news. Okay, 3 p.m. it is financial awareness MCQs. Okay, so daily minimum 3 times I do visit YT, okay, to connect with my students so that they can ask me any kind of doubts which you are facing during the preparations. Okay, so you can ask me anything guys if you want to, or else I will call upon the team again to conclude this session, because I guess there are no doubts as of now. And still later on, if you feel that you want to ask anything, you can comment over there guys. We will see and we will do reply as soon as possible over there. Okay, so I will call upon Amrit Singh, means Amrit ma'am and Singh sir over here. Come on. So guys, if you have questions, do comment guys, do comments. If you have questions, do comment.
So sir, I think we have covered everything. Is there any point that still that we can again discuss?
If students are asking questions, then we can clear it. Apart from that, I guess everyone has cleared their
Sir,
own.
I think Shinchen is very happy. What is the reason?
Story. That story I told for SB.
So I was late. Okay. Chaliye.
Okay.
So yes, Amrit ma'am, please join us.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can tell your 3 tips of success that you
How
tell.
to clear recent
I
IBPS
generally
PO.
keep on saying 3 tips for the success here, and
Tip
which
number 1, 2 and 3. Which is most
can
important?
you just
ma'am?
put one slide for
Yes
me?
ma'am. Plus, just press plus, new slide will come.
So herein the important part is guys, what are those? I just categorize broadly 3 ways to clear. You should have a good perfect batch wherein you can study. Then is your good study material. Then is a fantastic test series which will show you the real mirror.
Right ma'am, and on this test series we are offering double validity for
so double
today.
validity
Right.
is going on here.
So
That means
definitely-
whatever is actually available for a year is now available for 2 years. Whatever was available for 6 months is now available for 12 months, and so on. So time has been, doubled here, which means a double validity. Then we have special Megapacks also. When we talk about Megapacks, they cover the holistic course with focusing your prelims, mains, interview, the study material, the test series, and so much more. If you talk about your personality development courses, spoken English, so much is actually clear and done over there. Now I would like to show you something briefly here, that is the YouTube channel,
Right.
which is
So
very
we have-
important guys.
Yes.
So when we talk about this YouTube channel, just have to type YouTube on Google. The moment you type in YouTube, on the search column you can type in ADA 24/7 English Medium. And the moment you type in this page will appear in front of you. ADA 24/7 English Medium. That's it, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Here. Clear, guys? So first of all, you have to go on the subscribe button to subscribe the channel. Then you will click on here. This will give you an overview what session, what courses are running here for your ease. So when you say and check the video, this is the home. And the better part for you is to check the playlist. When you go and check the playlist, what will you see? A whole target batch we had started for the IBPS clerk, right from the basic till advanced level, focusing your basic things. Of course, we did some test papers also there.
Right.
And then we had, done the analysis done by Gaurav sir and Shivam sir for the RRB. And then, okay.
So these are RRB PU in clerical, those are IBPS clerk. So separate playlist we have for all
Yeah,
these
and for
examinations.
clerk, for 120, this is a very special rule of 120 rules of grammar I had started for all of you guys. Hope you will really, really love it. And going back to home. So when you come to home, you can see the holistic approach, like what do we keep on doing the whole day, our sessions, our shorts, some very basic informational sessions for you, like some important books, important batches, and so much more is there. Once you are a part of it, you will really, really enjoy our classes over here.
Right. So ma'am, related to courses, have we discussed?
Yeah, so I'll be telling them now.
Okay.
So herein again, you'll be typing ADA 24/7 on Google. And once you type in ADA 24/7, you will be clicking onto the very first link. And herein, you will go to the all courses. Once you go here, what do you see in the drop down box? It is English medium batches. Specifically designed from keeping you guys in mind, keeping you always at the back of your mind that yes, you need something in English, specifically in English. So this is our PO batch, again a complete comprehensive batch covering up your prelims and mains. Can you please click on this? Initial price is 999. That is, I would rather say 9999, would say somewhere closer to 10,000 rupees. But this is not the exact price when we talk about this. This will be. So it generally happens whenever I'm trying to tell, no, the system hangs.
No,
So this is a very.
you can show.
Yeah, this is
just
fine,
click
but
on
it
the-
generally happens with me. So here the code is banker. Thanks. So when you'll put banker here and apply, you will see that the course has been reduced to a good amount, and the amount remains only 2299, which is close to 2300 rupees. Am I right in saying that? Perfect. 77% of discount. Oh my god, it's a big number, guys. Perfect. It goes by 22, covering the whole things over here. Anything else which?
Yes ma'am, related to IBPS PO, that test series I was discussing. So definitely those who are targeting IBPS PO, you can check it out. For example, this Bank Prime test series. So this test series comprises of 1200 plus mock test, and we are offering double validity on it
Yeah.
also. So that is the best part about
Again,
it.
go now, put the code.
Banker S, I think
See,
that
12 plus 12.
right.
Banker with a S.
I think that won't
Okay,
be
so
applicable. So
is
here
only the
faculty code
number.
will work.
Yeah, like I have Y536S, sir.
537.
537S, Android, sir.
545.
Okay.
So any of the code you can apply. Just do not forget to add S at last. Then you will be getting 18% discount. Okay. So as ma'am said, any of the code you can apply. It's not a compulsion that you can join this. You apply Y537, Y536 for ma'am, and Y545, sir,
For me, yes.
for Rohit sir, right? So because that code is not working, otherwise common code was banker only. For test series, it's not working. So related to test series, it's very important. Once you have taken any of the course, you are joining all the YT sessions, then it is also important to implement that knowledge.
Yes, sir, yes. Because see, guys, anything will actually show you the real you is the test series. How will you analyze yourself? You can't just go into the real examination and sit and take the paper and then say, oh shit, what we have done. You cannot say that. So
Yes, ma'am, you
say
cannot
that,
say
oh
that.
shit, rather than saying there, say it here. And just start
Right.
learning. Am I right in saying that?
Yes, absolutely right, ma'am. So I think we have touched all the things. We can wind the session.
Yes.
If there
I
is any
think
doubt,
all of you loved the session. All of you loved meeting all of us. I,
Right.
Amrit Kaur,
Gaurav
Gaurav
Singh,
sir, Rohit sir, and the other sir
Shivam
is
sir.
not here. It's okay, no problem.
Right.
But we can, again, if you want to get in touch with us, join the Telegram and get in touch with us directly. We can have a discussion. We can have a live discussion there wherein all your doubts, questions and queries will be taken into
Right.
account
So
and acknowledged.
we hope that all the students will join our sessions from today onwards, I guess, ma'am. So last, we can request them. Okay.
Thank you so much.
chalo.
Hope and looking forward to see you in our sessions.
And good luck with the
again,
exams.
all the best to each one of you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.